Good Monday morning, cruisers. Happy February 23rd. Here are today's announcements. We are continuing to celebrate Black History Month. Today, we want to talk about Mary Church Terrell. She was born in 1863, a civil rights activist, teacher, and journalist. One of the first black women in the country to earn a college degree. She graduated from Oberlin College, which is here in the United States, with a bachelor's and master. I'm sorry, which is not here in the United States. It is in the United States. It's also in Ohio, which is what I meant to say, Oberlin College in Ohio, with a bachelor's and master's degrees. She taught Latin in the M Street School in Washington, D.C., which is one of the first schools for African Americans here in the U.S. And then she founded the National Association of Colored Women in 1896. So obviously very much, not just for her time, but in general, a pioneer, someone who went into new areas and was, of course, very successful. So Mary Church Terrell is our person for today. This is the last week of February. If you have someone that you would like for me to talk about here on the announcements, you can email me at chris.moser@gocruisers.org. All right, be a pro here at Middle School North. We are positive, we are respectful, we take ownership of our learning, our environment, and of course, our actions. Birthdays, happy belated birthday shout out to Miss Bott, whose birthday was over the weekend. Hopefully you had an amazing day. And then Blade, Kevin, and Pedro have birthdays today. Happy birthday to you. All right, students, I want to talk about something in our code of conduct. It's 7A. It's called Public Displays of Affection. It says displays of affection in a physical way, to include but not limited to hugging, kissing, hand-holding, sitting in one's lap, etc., are not permitted. So make sure you're not doing any of these things at school. The first time that we see it will be a phone call home and a warning, but then after that, there will be consequences. We don't need to do this here at school. At school, you're here to focus on your learning. So make sure that we are putting our education first and not engaging in PDA. All right, track starts today for boys and tomorrow for girls, 4:30 to 6. You must go home and then get a ride back. It is here at Middle School North, and you must have a current physical uploaded in final forms. The last day for you to order yearbooks is this Friday. Slips with the link are in the red folders outside the main office. I'll tell you how to order your yearbooks, but again, this is the last week for you to purchase your yearbooks. Kona Ice is coming March 3rd. Last week I sent an email out to students. If you're interested in purchasing a Kona Ice, you can see the link in the email that I sent out. Fill out that information. I did have a couple questions. Somebody asked how many you can purchase. You can just purchase one. That's it, no more than one. And another person asked, where are you going to eat these? If it's nice outside, you'll eat it outside. If it is cold, you can eat it here in the cafeteria. They'll be during students' lunch times. We're not doing a change of the bell schedule or anything like that for Kona Ice on March 3rd. Baseball begins today at Middle School South. 7th graders, you'll ride the shuttle bus there. Your tryouts are 3:30 to 5. 8th graders, you need to go home and then get a ride to Middle School South, 4:30 to 6. You'll need an updated physical and final forms and wear baseball pants, tennis shoes, and a hat. Joke of the day, what is a cat's favorite color? Purple. All right, E plus R equals O. Focus on how you respond to events. We don't control what anybody else does. We do control how we respond to those things. Positive responses tend to lead to positive outcomes. But if no one has told you yet today, you are loved. You belong here at Middle School North. You've got all the tools to be successful. We've got your back. Have yourself a marvelous Monday. And as always, it is great to be a cruiser.